Life safety issues exist. Emergency repairs required before restoration to make ready for intended use. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineer. We are on the 9th Street side, which would be, let's see, this would be the D side of the building. So it would be D1. And basically you have 1, 2, 3 platforms. You have a slide ladder, a release ladder, and then you have this long ladder that goes up, and that's the means of egress. Then you have the strange formation. You have these turnbuckles that hold this platform. They must have been in addition to the brackets. And then the brackets you have are, there are 3 of them, and you can see right here that everything's cracking on the brick. The brick is in really poor condition. There are life safety issues with here. The only thing holding this ladder is some wire, so I refuse to go on it. It's too dangerous. And you can see all these brackets up on top. You have 2 brackets. Again, they go through. They're embedded brackets. And you got 1, 2, 3. So let's go over the components. You've got a rail. The rail is an angle. You can see the angle here. The angle is 1.5 by 1.5. And then you have this kind of ornamental rail with the X's on it. And then you can see your supports. Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers. We're back here again. So you can see it's a through bar into the building, and then the bracket is also 3/4 inch on the hypotenuse, 3/4 inch square on the hypotenuse, and back up the wall. And but the wall's in bad condition. The mortar needs work, and that's typical along here. So just wanted to get all the components for this. Again, you got the ladder going all the way up. You got the release ladder, and then you've got 3 cages. So this concludes the inspector summary video, and you also have this turnbuckle here. That must have come later because the brackets below weren't working. Okay, and that's way too much weight for that second platform. So this is Fire Escape Engineers. This concludes the inspector summary video.
Life safety issues exist. Emergency repairs required before restoration to make ready for intended use. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.